after saying we're not going to do the kitchen at all, first request comes in. Can we just replace the countertops and splash? It's so ugly. I hate it. Okay, I can do that, but it's still going to look the same. Okay, well, maybe I can paint the cabinet. Can you do that? And so then I'm looking at these cabinets. Can I paint these? Yes, you can paint them. That will mean it looks different, but it will still function the same. And that is like, I hate that. I don't want something that looks beautiful but functions terrible. That is not the point of what we do. You want that, go to a cosmetic fixer. For us, we're about spatial integrity, form, function, and beauty. So I said, no, I don't like that idea. Then it was like, maybe we could replace the hardware. But look at where this hardware is located. The weirdest place you're ever going to see hardware is on this kitchen. So if I take off this hardware and I get amazing hardware that's $1 million a piece, it's still going to be in the weirdest position possible. So that was a no. Then it was like, maybe we just replace the cabinet doors. No. I can't do that for you. I can't do that to you. We're going to do it right. We're going to render it. We're going to show you the vision and you're going to love it. So again, my point with the handles, I can't make this better. They're so far to the outside. If you remove them, you have to Bondo the holes, sand it, refinish it. Hopefully I get better placement. Look at this. Have you ever seen a handle here? This is a weird location for a handle. So literally the handles in this place almost made me want to do the whole kitchen just for its own reason. So that's my story about handles. Okay, so part of the problem too, this brass inlay in the crown molding, it's shiny, it's super dated. So the work it would take to remove that, sand everything down, refinish it, it's a lot of time, a lot of effort for not a great result. So this shiny inlay thing in of itself means just start over, do it right. Why are you going to spend 70% of the funds to keep everything intact when it's not good? Just go the whole way and then you have a completely brand new space. Again, form, function, beauty, they all matter. They all have to be considered. That's what this kitchen's gonna be. This weird peninsula is gone. This funky angles, do you see all the angles in here from like the cabinetry to the countertops to the ceiling? It's angles and octagons everywhere. That is a no. We're gonna remove this wall, straighten this run. So I have a nice long span here, create a walk-in pantry right here. I'm going to straighten this from this weird octagonal shape into this amazing flowing island, back to front as it should be. These corners here, gone. Long feature range wall, big, huge range right in the center. And then my favorite, this wall absolutely has to leave because my view is that way. We have a pool. We have westerly views. We have probably some sunset, some ocean. I got to get rid of this. So this wall's going bye-bye and we'll have amazing sight lines into the valley, onto the beach. It's going to be perfect. The beautiful like sunsets are there, the trees, it's amazing. This is the wall day one I knew needed to move, but it took them a while to warm up to it. It was all about the renderings, showing what it will look like. At first they were afraid it would look like just one big open box. It doesn't look like that at all. It has amazing dimension, amazing like definition of space, but still creates open sight lines, which is what we wanted. At first she was like, our closed off kitchen's coming back because I don't know if I want to move that wall. I really hope closed kitchens are a thing. I'm like, they're kind of not a thing. Let me show you the rendering. And once I showed it to her, she was like, okay, you're right. Closed kitchen, not a thing. Open concept. Let's do this. But it took a really quick turnaround, design this sucker in like 3 days, get him to the office, present it, loved everything. So that's what we're doing.